bubbles are the very best things in life, the only things any of us ever need.
CJ, today is our wedding day. Though truly our love blossomed the moment we first met. And since that day, it's continued to grow stronger and deeper. Every day we are together is the greatest day of my life. It's amazing how small things can have huge impacts. Starting with two small turtles, allowing us to meet, an idea of a family leading to 3 incredible children, and a shared vision of life that is leading us on adventure after adventure. I love how our steps are always on the same path, how our thoughts, though unique, are aligned and build upon one another's. I cherish our dreams, our conversations, and our life together. I promise to be your biggest supporter. To always be by your side and on your side. I promise to really listen to you. I will share all my thoughts, all my hopes, and all my love openly with you. I promise to do everything I can to make you happy. I promise to hold your hand and kiss your lips and treasure every touch and every glance of you. I can never, ever have too much of you or too much of us. I promise to help you find food when you're hungry. I will try my best not to steal the blankets. I promise to continue adventuring with you, both big and small, walking in the sunshine and the rain, planting flowers, watching the birds and the bees, hiking on mountains, running on trails, experiencing stone circles and new shores. Every adventure, hike, stroll, day and quiet moment is made more by experiencing it with you. I promise to be your partner in everything. I feel all that I am and all that I can.
You look beautiful.
You're all wet.
It's okay. You look incredible.
Thank you, darling.
I love you.
If ever there is a tomorrow when we're not together, there is something you must remember. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. But the most important thing is, even if we're apart, I'll always be with you.
Barry, being with you has been the best decade and a half of my life. Of course, I wish we had met earlier so we could love each other longer. But our paths crossed when they did, in such a gloriously serendipitous way. I am just grateful we were both there in the same city, at the same time, at the same bridge, on the same lake, with the same breed of dog. And it was as if we had no choice but to start talking to each other. Now, I have made the choice to commit to loving you with all of my heart for always. I want to be with you for the rest of our journey down life's path. I vow to share laughter, friendship, and fun with you, and support you through challenges. I'm dreadful at jokes, but I will laugh at you, or with you, in moments,
If you could laugh at.
sometimes at you, in moments of joy, and cry with you in times of sorrow and pain. And whatever challenges come, we will face them together. I will lend you strength when you need it. I promise to lift you up, to encourage you, and bring you joy just as you do for me. Thank you for being my steadfast, fierce supporter. You make me feel happy and strong, secure, cherished, safe, and loved. I vow to learn from you and value your opinions. Our runs together are some of my favorite moments, and we hash so many things out during them. Your confidence and inner strength ground me, and you sort me out when I'm stuck in analysis paralysis or worry. I will value your interests and support you in your desires. I respect you deeply, and I admire your ability to try new things and see things from different perspectives. I will support you as a father as we raise our children to be caring, honest, and happy. I admire your love of learning so that when they come and ask me something and I don't know the answer, I can just say, go ask Daddy. Our children and I will always cherish the time and the love you give them, coaching their football teams, hook-a-book readings, walking them to school, doing Y guides, comforting them, and being the parent to go in at night and comfort them. Your dedication to fatherhood is unmatched, and our children and I are lucky to have you. I look forward to every moment with you. Your lips on mine, your embrace that gives me comfort, safety, and love, and your long fingers that always find mine. I vow to never take you for granted, and not to take for granted all the little things that you do to make my life better. I will appreciate all the cups of tea, how you always give me the best food, and you save water for me on our runs, the comfort of your hand in mine, our runs together, and the walks we will take when we can no longer run together. I will miss you whenever we're apart and hold you dearly when we reunite. You are my heart, my closest friend, my home, and all I could have hoped for. I treasure you. I take you as my husband, and I love you completely. I promise to do my best to deserve you. You will always be my greatest adventure.
I, Barry, accept you, Cynthia, in marriage.
I, Barry, accept you, Cynthia, in marriage.
To be my wife.
To be my wife.
I give you this ring.
I give you this ring.
The symbol of my love.
As a symbol of my love.
We drank from the pure dark stream. You were safe almost clean.
I, Cynthia, accept you, Barry, in marriage.
I, Cynthia, accept you, Barry, in marriage.
To be my husband.
To be my husband.
I give you this ring.
I give you this ring.
The symbol of my love.
As a symbol of my love.
Barry and Cynthia have made a great choice in life to be married here in Scotland in the sunshine.
We can Photoshop it later.
You pledged each other your love for each other, your respect and commitment, the following declaration you have made in my presence, and your witnesses too. I say with great pride and great privilege that you, Barry, and you, Cynthia, are now legally married, and you are before your family, before us all here in the mountains. I can now say you are legally married and you are husband and wife! Way!
We did it.
We did it.
I love you.
We float above the tree. We float above the trees.
May your friendship and trust endure and strengthen through the winters of your lives, and may your love be renewed as surely as the blossoms adorn the trees each spring. May your understanding of each other grow with your love until the wonder of each night and day becomes a lifetime of happiness together.
Above the trees.
Chicken wing, chicken wing, hot dog alone, chicken alone, chicken.
Daddy or me?